Nastya.
Huh?
Nastya!
What?
Clean up your room, please.
Later.
Nastya? Nastya! Nastya?
Daddy, I'm here!
Nastya!
Find the shapes. Okay, I'll find it. Wow, ice cream. No. Oh, a flower. No. I found it! Correct. Woohoo! Correct! Correct! I found it! Correct! Sort things by color challenge! Okay! Pink. All done. Ew. Let's recycle. Recycle. Garbage. All done. Laundry. I'm so dirty. I really smell bad. Don't worry. I'll help you. Let's go. Oh. My lost toys. PGI. Pig. Correct. DGO. Dog. Correct. Wow, my dog. Panda. Correct. My Mr. Panda. Get tiger. Correct. Now you are free, my little one. I'm done. Daddy!
Nastya!
Daddy, I understand everything now. I'll clean my room every day. Next video. I want to play.
Guys, help me clean up, please. Let's play, Naomi.
Yay! Let's play. Good job. It's unfair. We want to play too.
Are you babies?
Let's have a 24-hour baby challenge.
Okay. Lunchtime, kids.
Okay. I want pizza.
I want ice cream.
Yummy.
Only baby food. It's time to study.
Let's have fun. Oh! Why do we have to study?
We want to play.
Happy. Find missing animals. Penguin. Dolphin. Squirrel. Bunny. Yellow, blue, green, red.
Nap time.
No. I want to sleep. Makeup time!
No. Only baby makeup.
What is this?
It's time to play outside.
So fun!
No. It's not for babies.
Okay.
This is for babies. Tea time.
This is for babies. I don't want to be a baby anymore.
Me too.
So, let's clean up.
Okay! Next video.
Nastya,
Huh?
time to clean up the house.
Okay.
Hello, Nastya. Do you need a helper? You can get one for just 1 coin.
Okay! Here, $5 bill.
Here you are.
I'm ready to clean.
Perfect.
Garbage, 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 garbage. Garbage. Garbage, garbage,
This is not garbage.
garbage.
No, stop. You have to go. Thank you for coming.
Garbage,
Bye.
garbage, garbage.
I will clean it by myself.
Wow! Good job, Nastya. Now it's time for homework. Huh? Yeah, hello.
Okay, Daddy. Yeah. Oh, hello, Addie.
Hi, Nastya. Let's have a chat. I have a lot of news.
Sorry, there's a lot of homework. Sorry, maybe next time. Bye. Now I have this too. Hi again.
Hello again, Nastya.
I need a helper to do my homework.
Okay, Nastya. Here's your helper.
Hello, my dear.
Hi, let's go. Yay! Oh, done. Thank you.
No. It's time for math. Writing and reading.
Oh, thank you.
You have to study. Study. You have to study more. It's time to study. Study. You have to study more. It's time to study.
Phew, he's gone. Whew. Oh, yeah, I had the exact same thing.
Nastya, you need to walk the dog.
Okay, I have to go, Addie. Bye.
Do you need a helper?
Yeah.
1 coin.
Bye-bye.
Low battery.
Low battery. Need to charge.
Nastya, go clean this up.
Okay, Dad. Robot! He's charged. I have to clean it by myself.
Game over.
magic doesn't work. You have to work on your own. Next video. I want to be a teacher.
Okay.
Hello. Today we're gonna learn ABCs, colors, numbers, shapes.
No!
Oh, where's my students? Come on, guys, we will learn shapes. You have to build a square. Okay. Good job, guys. What shape is this? Circle. What color is this? Yellow. What color is this? Orange. Who likes to learn? Me. Next lesson. Let's make a pyramid. One more time. Who likes to learn? Let's learn the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job, guys. Who likes to learn? Let's collect red and blue. You can do it! Yeah! Good job, guys. Hey, guys, look what I have. Come on. No. Stop. What do you need to do first? Wash your hands. And after eating, you have to wash your face. Being a teacher is a hard job. Good job, guys. Good job. Bye-bye. Next video. Oh, so cute. Daddy, I want a puppy.
A dog? No.
I've been saving money all my life. I promise I will help with the dog, please.
Okay.
Yay! Let's choose a dog breed. Oh, this one is cute, but no. This one, I think we can choose another one. Oh, this one!
Pay.
Yay! like.
Wow, good choice.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so early.
I want to go for a walk.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Clean up after your dogs.
I'm done. Oh, Light, good morning. Daddy needs to sleep. This is your bed.
Ooh, nice bed. I want to eat.
Okay.
Yummy.
This is your toilet. Oh, need to clean. Oh, it's time to do my homework. Quiet, please, quiet. Please.
I want to go for a walk.
I need to do my homework, please.
Hello guys, how are you?
I can't do my homework because of the dog.
Okay, no problem, I can take him.
Thank you, Daddy, for helping me.
No problem, Nastya.
Daddy, look. I made a responsibility schedule for us. I will feed him and clean up after him. And you will walk him and buy food.
Okay.
The main thing is to help each other.
Yeah.